For those of you who are reading Slacker by Gordon Corman, here are your questions. For Chapter 1, why did the fire department show up at Cameron's house? Do you think what Cameron's parents are telling him about gaming is fair? Chapter 2,
No.
why are Cam's friends so worried about him not being able to game anymore? Do you think Cam's new club is a good idea? Chapter 3, how does Daphne feel about their town and their middle school? How do you think Cam is going to feel about Daphne wanting to join his club? Chapter 4, why did Cam have to let Daphne into his club? Do you think Daphne has a good idea for their first project? Chapter 5, what keeps coming up by every person that is changing the town? Why did this happen? Why is Mr. Funshaw so interested in the PAG group? Chapter 6, why are so many boys in the bathroom at once? Should they have been? How does Cam feel about his conversation with Mr. Funshaw? Chapter 7, do you think Sting should have been kicked off the team? Explain why the Sting needs Cam to start his club so bad. Chapter 8, how does Melody feel about the PAG? Why is Cam worried that Pavel is worried? Chapter 9, why does Felicia want Jordan to join the PAG? Do you think that will work? Why did Felicia make Jordan sign Xavier's paper? Do you think that was a good idea? Chapter 10, do you think Mr. Funshaw is a good counselor? Do you think Cam would be frustrating to have to work with if you were his counselor? Chapter 11, why did Cam let Daphne talk about Elvis? And how do you think PAG's first meeting went? Chapter 12, do you think Daphne should be mad at Cam? How does Audra being there change how Daphne wants to act at the end? Chapter 13, do you think it was good or bad that Cam snuck in to check on his video game? Why did Xavier say an ambulance would be better? Chapter 14, why do you think Cameron asked her not to write the article? What did Katrina have up in her room? How did Katrina and Melody feel differently about what happened Saturday? Chapter 15, why did Cam get in his locker? How does he feel about it? What did Jennifer want? What do you think Cam should do? Chapter 16, do you think Cam would have gone to the meeting if Mr. Funshaw wouldn't have found him? Why does Mr. Funshaw love the PAG so much? Chapter 17, who do you think might have put the meeting on the website? How do Pavel and Cam feel differently about the trash pickup? Chapter 18, why is Jennifer so worried about the PAG? Do you think Cam should shut down the PAG if he wanted to? Chapter 19, how does Cam feel about being popular? Why was the Sting so frantic to find Cam? Chapter 20, how has PAG changed Chuck? How do the Paggers know it is more than just Tony and Jennifer messing with them? Chapter 21, why does Daphne think Audra is a hypocrite? Predict based on what happened in this chapter. What do you think will happen next? 22, how did Audra change the story? How does that make Mr. Funshaw feel? Why did Mr. Funshaw have to go find Cam? What do you think about what the principal said? Chapter 23, how does everyone besides Cam feel about the PAG being shut down? What did Xavier give Cam? What does that mean? Chapter 24, why is Dr. LaPierre so upset? Does Dr. LaPierre believe Cam? Chapter 25, what happened between Cam and Pavel? Which one do you think should apologize and why? Chapter 26, what did Coach tell the Sting and the team that really stuck with them? Why was that important? Why is the Sting so mad at the end of the chapter? 27, who has been updating the webpage? Why? Who is Elvis McKillpeople? How does Cam feel about this? 28, how did they get the PAG together? How do you think Cam got the stuff on the webpage? What is Cam's big idea? Do you think it'll work? Chapter 29, do you think this plan is going to work? What happened to Elvis? Chapter 30, why did Jen give Elvis to Daphne? Predict what you think will happen next. Chapter 31, who is at the ramp when the kids get there? How did that make the kids feel? Why does Cam say that Jennifer Del Rio had a heart? Chapter 32, what happened with the ramp? Do you think they should still be worried? How is Elvis? Do you think the friends of Fuzzy should be mad? Chapter 33, who is Cam's partner? Do you think that was a good idea? What did Cam learn about himself? Describe Cam. Character trait, evidence from the text. Character trait 2, evidence. And 3, give evidence again. Now describe Jennifer. Describe Daphne, Melody, and now you can do a story summary in your notebook. Who is the text about? Where is the text taking place? Setting. When is the text taking place? And then that was at the beginning of the story. And then at the middle, what is the problem or conflict? Why did the problem happen? And then the end, how is the problem resolved or solved? This should be about half page to a full page of writing.